Everybody, it's Jackie from ESLspeaking.org. So today I'm going to talk about my top 5 ESL whiteboard games and activities. The first one is Flyswatter. So write down a bunch of your target vocabulary on the whiteboard, just kind of in a random fashion. Put students into 2 teams, and then one student from each team comes up to the front and they grab a Flyswatter. You can give it, for very absolute beginners, you could say the word and they could try to swat the word. The first person to swat it gets a point for their team. You erase it and then put down a new word into that spot. For higher level students, you could give hints or clues about that word. All right, next one is disappearing text. So this is a whole class activity. Write down a sentence. The students all say it together out loud, and then erase 1 or 2 of the words. They say it again, and then erase 1 or 2 words. Keep going until students will say the whole sentence, but nothing is on the board. So this is a really nice way to review some complicated grammar, just to help students get it inside their head at kind of more of a memorization level. Next one is mixed up sentences. So write down a bunch of sentences on the board, but they are mixed up in terms of word order. In pairs, students have to write down the sentences in the correct order. The first team to finish is the winner. It works best if you write down the mixed up sentences at the beginning of class before the students are in there. Next one is Pictionary. I'm sure you played it before, but it really is a nice way to review some vocabulary. So put students into teams, have them draw some pictures, their teammates guess. I'm sure you know the drill already for Pictionary. Last one is word association. So this is kind of just like a brainstorming mind map kind of thing. So if you're talking about like Christmas, put Christmas, the word, and then draw a big circle, Christmas. And yeah, get students to come up and they could write words like food, like turkey, stuffing, gifts, toys, Santa, traditions, all that kind of thing. So it's a nice way to help students activate their prior knowledge about a topic. All right, that's it. For even more ideas for whiteboard activities, be sure to check out the blog post. I've listed it down below. And be sure to hit like, subscribe, tell your friend. All right, bye everybody.